Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 24th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir had another good day, up 26 cents, almost 1%, closed at 26.53. Post-market, we seem to be down by 2 cents, but numbers are just numbers, but we need to look at those numbers in the context of a stock chart. So looking at those numbers from within the stock chart, we see that, well, yesterday we had the green candle, big green candle that we loved. So today we are having a, I forget the pattern, the candlestick pattern that this is. But basically, I think this could mean a small reversal, but that's fine. We don't need to worry here because we know that Palantir is trading within a channel. That's it. That's all. It's trading within a channel, and the channel is right here, and the other line is right here. That's it. And the stock has been trading within this channel. I can even say, I need to get rid of this. I can even say starting May 28th. So the stock has been going up and down within that channel. So now we are close to the upper part of the channel. I am even tempted to create a double resistance here because look at the three last. 1, 2, 3. So we have been touching this lower resistance several times. Today, June 18th, June 15th, and also June 7th and June 4th. So basically, I am really tempted to do this double resistance. So we have a double support, double resistance. The stock has now touched this upper resistance, so we might be seeing a short-term sidewayness to go and touch this support and hopefully continuing like this. If the stock is weaker, then we might see something more acute like this and maybe going here. But basically, if you are in for the long term, well, of course, you can sell at any point, but if you are in for a longer term or mid-term, but you are still a trader, then you might just come out when we break outside of the support. Anything else within support is just fair game, and it's just normal day in the life of a trader of Palantir. Let's go to the hour chart to see if we cannot understand something else. I'm going to remove those nice drawings. So 9:30 was right here. So we opened quite high, went low and touched this resistance here that I just drew. And then the second hour went higher and retested it again. The third hour also retested it, went down afterwards, and then opened pretty much in line with where it opened the first hour, a little bit lower. Then we retested it again. So we have been testing this resistance for several hours today. So this is telling me that there's a lot of force in Palantir, you know, because it could have easily gone up and down like this, but no, it's staying up and close to the resistance. So I see this as a sign of strength. If we look at the indicators, stochastic is at 95, super great. MACD super great, DMI super great also. So nothing bad to see here. Let's just continue to ride this pony into the sunset. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I produce a Tesla and Palantir video every single day. Thank you for liking, belling, and commenting. I read all of your comments. We have a Patreon account, we have a Discord server, and we have a TradingView affiliate link if you're interested. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine and bonne Saint-Jean.